Hello guys, this is Kritika and welcome to my channel. So I make content related to travel and today we are going to a nearby place. So we are making a short vlog today. Somewhere around 45 to 50 kilometers from here there's a place called Karinja and I've not been to this place. So without any further delay, let's get to the video. I just reached Control right now and it started raining. It's something like a stream here. It's off. I just make a short video. So we reached Karinja Cross. The Karinja Road and let's go. We need to climb nearly 600 steps. Hi, I reached the top and it started raining so heavily. I didn't bring my umbrella also. I'm managing with a poncho raincoat. But it's a beautiful place. It's just somewhere around 10 to 15 kilometers from Bandwal, but really the place is very nice. There's literally nobody here. It's almost an empty place. I love such place. So this is the small Ganapati temple halfway. This is the Shiv temple at the top.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
Basa electrician. So I'm going back now. So can you see the monkey gang there? These are the people who accompanied me throughout my journey. There was nobody else. It's a big tower, but there were nobody to shoot for me, so I managed to take some time of shots. And heading over to the next place, there's a cave nearby. ಗುಹೆ ಉಂಡು ಬಂಡೇರಿಂಚಿ ಅವ್ವಾ ಹೋಲ್ಯಾ ಸೇಫಾ ಹೋಲ್ಯಾ So this is the second place that I'm visiting. I came to a cave nearby. This cave is actually pretty, but then it looks scary. They also told me that there are a lot of snakes inside it, so better not to enter the cave. So yeah, you can see there's nobody around, and also it's a forest region. Yeah guys, so we are at the end of this video, and I had a nice time here, as well as the climate also favored me. It was quite good. It was just drizzling all the time, and I would be coming up with more such videos. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share it among your friends, as well as in the description box I will be giving you the link of my Instagram page. You can also follow me there. I would be providing short informative reels, as well as some travel posts. So yeah, see you all in the next video then.